Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for elevating your living spaces. Today, we're stepping outside to explore a modern marvel that's transforming backyards and patios everywhere, the aluminum pergola design ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you've been dreaming of an outdoor oasis that combines style, durability, and low maintenance, then you're in the right place. We're going to break down everything you need to know about aluminum pergola designs, from their fundamental meaning to how to make them truly shine in your home. Let's begin by defining what an aluminum pergola design truly is. In essence, an aluminum pergola is an outdoor structure characterized by vertical posts or pillars supporting an open lattice of crossbeams and often a louvered or solid roof. The defining characteristic, of course, is the use of aluminum as the primary construction material. These structures are designed to provide partial shade and an inviting outdoor living area, seamlessly blending with various architectural styles, from sleek modern homes to more classic aesthetics. They create a transitional zone, blurring the lines between your indoor comfort and the natural beauty of your outdoor environment, offering a versatile space for relaxation, dining, or entertaining. Now, let's talk about the significant advantages of choosing an aluminum pergola for your outdoor space. The benefits are numerous and compelling, making them a wise investment for any homeowner. First and foremost is durability and weather resistance. Aluminum is inherently robust and naturally resistant to rust, corrosion, cracking, and warping, unlike wood, which requires regular sealing and treatment. This means an aluminum pergola can withstand harsh weather conditions, from intense sun to heavy rain and even snow, maintaining its aesthetic appeal and structural integrity for decades with minimal degradation. Secondly, consider the aspect of low maintenance. This is a major selling point for many homeowners. Aluminum pergolas do not require painting, staining, or extensive upkeep. A simple wash with soap and water is typically all that's needed to keep them looking pristine. This frees up your time, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor space rather than constantly maintaining it. Thirdly, aluminum pergolas offer exceptional design versatility. Aluminum can be extruded into various shapes and sizes, allowing for sleek, clean lines and a modern aesthetic that complements contemporary architecture beautifully. Furthermore, they can be powder-coated in a wide array of colors and finishes, including those that mimic the look of wood, offering flexibility to match your home's exterior and personal style. Whether you desire a minimalist structure or a more intricate design, aluminum can accommodate it. Finally, aluminum is an environmentally friendly choice. It is a fully recyclable material, making it a sustainable option for those looking to minimize their environmental footprint. Its long lifespan also reduces the need for frequent replacements, further contributing to its eco-friendliness. In summary, an aluminum pergola combines longevity, ease of care, design flexibility, and environmental responsibility, making it an excellent choice for enhancing any outdoor area. Once your aluminum pergola is installed, the real fun begins. Decorating it to create your personal outdoor sanctuary. Making your aluminum pergola look good involves a combination of functionality, comfort, and aesthetic appeal. Next, focus on creating comfort and defining the space. High-quality outdoor furniture is essential. Choose weather-resistant sofas, lounge chairs, or dining sets that complement the pergola style. Thoughtful lighting can dramatically transform your pergola, especially after sunset. String lights, often called festoon lights, draped across the beams create a magical ambience. LED strip lighting integrated into the pergola's frame can provide a sleek, modern glow. For more task-oriented lighting, consider stylish outdoor sconces or hanging pendant lights. Solar-powered options offer convenience and energy efficiency. Finally, personalize with decorative elements. Outdoor curtains made from weather-resistant fabrics can add a touch of elegance, provide privacy, and offer additional shade from the sun. Wind chimes, outdoor art, or even a small water feature can enhance the sensory experience and create a truly unique space. Remember, the goal is to create an extension of your indoor living space, reflecting your personal taste and providing a comfortable, beautiful retreat. How much is the cost for aluminum pergola design? When it comes to investing in an outdoor structure like an aluminum pergola, cost is naturally a significant consideration. The price of an aluminum pergola can vary widely based on several factors, including size, design complexity, features, and whether you opt for a prefabricated kit or a custom build. Generally, aluminum pergolas are priced per square foot. On average, you can expect costs to range from $10 to $30 per square foot for the material itself. For a complete installation, including labor, the average cost for a standard 100 square foot aluminum pergola can range from $3,000 to $6,000. However, this is a broad estimate. Key factors influencing the cost include: First, size. Larger pergolas will naturally require more material and labor, increasing the overall cost. Second, design complexity. A simple, open lattice design will be less expensive than a sophisticated louvered pergola with a motorized roof system. Automated features, integrated lighting, and smart home compatibility will add to the price. Third, customization. Fully custom-designed pergolas tailored to specific dimensions and aesthetics will generally be more expensive than standard, off-the-shelf kits. Fourth, installation. While some smaller kits can be DIY projects, professional installation ensures proper construction and longevity. Labor costs will be a significant portion of the total expense for a professional build. Fifth, additional features. Adding accessories such as integrated screens, heaters, fans, or specialized drainage systems will increase the overall investment. While the initial cost might be higher than some wooden alternatives, remember the long-term value. The low maintenance, exceptional durability, and extended lifespan of an aluminum pergola often translate to lower ownership costs over time, making it a cost-effective choice in the long run. It's always recommended to get multiple quotes from reputable suppliers and installers to get an accurate estimate for your specific project. Now, let's inspire you with 10 of the best aluminum pergola design ideas that can elevate any outdoor space. Each offers unique features and aesthetic appeals, providing a range of options for your Homes Decor Designs project. 1. Motorized louvered pergola. This is the epitome of modern functionality. The roof consists of adjustable aluminum slats that can be opened to let in full sun, tilted for partial shade and ventilation, or closed completely to create a waterproof shelter during rain. This design offers ultimate control over light, airflow, and weather protection, making your outdoor space truly adaptable for year-round enjoyment. 2. Minimalist freestanding pergola. Characterized by clean lines, slim profiles, and a sleek, unadorned structure. This design emphasizes simplicity and contemporary elegance, often in dark, neutral tones like black or charcoal gray, allowing the surrounding landscape and furnishings to take center stage. It creates a defined, airy space without visual clutter. 3. Attached pergola with wall mount. Ideal for extending your indoor living area seamlessly onto a patio or deck. One side of the pergola is securely mounted to the exterior wall of your home, creating a cohesive transition. This design is excellent for maximizing space and providing convenient access to your outdoor retreat. 4. Pergola with integrated LED lighting. This design focuses on nighttime ambience and usability. LED strip lights are discreetly embedded within the pergola's beams or posts, providing a soft, consistent glow. This eliminates the need for external lighting fixtures and creates a sophisticated, inviting atmosphere for evening entertaining. 5. Pergola with retractable fabric canopy. This design combines the structural integrity of aluminum with the flexibility of a fabric shade. A retractable canopy, often made of weather-resistant textile, can be easily extended or retracted to provide instant shade or allow for full sun exposure, offering versatility and a touch of softness to the metal structure. 6. Bioclimatic pergola with sensors. Taking the motorized louvered design a step further, bioclimatic pergolas incorporate smart sensors that automatically adjust the louvers based on real-time weather conditions, such as rain or strong winds. Some can even integrate with smart home systems, offering advanced climate control and hands-free operation for optimal comfort. 7. Pergola with decorative screen panels. Instead of just open sides, this design incorporates decorative aluminum screen panels on one or more sides. These panels can feature intricate laser-cut patterns, lattice work, or simple vertical slats, providing privacy, wind protection, and an added architectural element that enhances visual interest. 8. Pergola with integrated outdoor kitchen. For the ultimate entertainer, an aluminum pergola can be designed to house an outdoor kitchen setup. The sturdy frame supports countertops, grills, and even sinks, creating a fully functional culinary space outdoors. The pergola provides essential shade and protection for cooking and dining al fresco. 9. Pergola with integrated patio heater and fans. This design focuses on extending the usability of your outdoor space into cooler evenings or warmer days. Infrared heaters can be discreetly mounted on the beams for warmth, while ceiling fans provide cooling air circulation. This ensures comfort regardless of the ambient temperature, making your pergola a true year-round retreat. 10. Custom geometric pergola. This design showcases the flexibility of aluminum to create unique, architectural forms. Instead of standard rectangular shapes, a custom geometric pergola can feature angled beams, cantilevered sections, or irregular shapes that become a striking focal point in your landscape. This option is perfect for those seeking a highly personalized and artistic outdoor statement. As you can see, aluminum pergolas offer an incredible blend of form and function, providing endless possibilities for transforming your outdoor living space. From the sleek lines of a minimalist design to the intelligent control of a bioclimatic system, there's an aluminum pergola to suit every taste and need. We hope this comprehensive guide has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration for your next home improvement project. Remember, creating a beautiful and functional outdoor area is an investment in your lifestyle and the value of your property. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert tips and design inspiration. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss our latest videos. We love hearing from you, so leave a comment below and let us know which aluminum pergola design idea is your favorite, or if you have any questions.